Making money.
And to lead us through the basics is day trader Richard Gillam. Richard, thanks for being on the show.
How are you?
All right. Now, first of all, how long you been doing this? What exactly is day trading? And are you good at it?
I've been doing about 3 years.
Okay.
Day trading is when you buy or sell a stock same day. You buy it, same day you sell it. As it's practice for a living, is when people buy a lot of stock throughout the day, given maybe a few minutes, maybe sometimes they hold on for 30 seconds. They sell it out for incremental profits. Hopefully those profits over time will add up to several hundred, sometimes thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars, even within a few hours.
Wow.
Am I good at it? I'm good at it right now. But so I guess
let's put it this way. This is your gig.
this is my gig.
This is not like free time for you.
This is what I do.
Okay.
All right, what I do.
So how much money can you make off of day trading, like an average person, the average guy at home?
Gosh, when I started out, for me, a couple $100 a day, I was pretty excited with. It was like, okay, great, I'm making money and I'm surviving, I'm paying the bills.
My salary. All right.
But
right.
but over time, like anything, you get better at it. Your expectations on yourself rise, and it becomes more of a. It's not even about making money anymore. It's about it's testing yourself. It's a challenge. It's you against the market. It's you against. I mean, every one of these things up here, all these companies up here, they represent another person on a terminal, and you're competing against them.
Okay, now what kind of stock do people look for when they're day trading? Because this isn't like a regular investment.
Sure. The day trader stock, it's got to be in play. It's got to be moving. If it's sitting there flat, it's not going to be able to be traded. I'm looking for stuff that's really moving around, mainly internet stocks, Yahoo, Lycos, anything that's really flying, .coms, IPOs. Those are really good.
Okay. Now, a lot of people think that E-Trade is a day trading area, but it's not, right?
Common misunderstanding on that. The problem with an E-Trade, Ameritrade, SureTrade, any online brokerage firm is they don't allow you to actually execute your own trades. So the time it takes to get involved, to get a trade off will be impossible. I trade sometimes as many 250, 300 trades a day. I need a system that instantaneously executes it. So you have to use a day trading company.
And this is what they're talking about when they talk real-time trading.
100%. Actually, what I kind of see example of here, I use a company called Trade Portal, and it gives me direct access to the markets. It allows me to actually execute markets, sales and buys instantly.
So this is your personal setup, right?
This is my personal setup. This is what I use at home when I'm trading in my house.
This is nice, man.
This is about a 25.
You must be making money.
Yeah. All right.
Come on. Keep it real.
All right.
I'm a computer freak and I don't have it this good.
Okay, I'm making money. But this is about a $25,000 system I got set up in my house. The main thing you're looking at here is you're looking at some software that allows me to instantly execute trades. So I've got Microsoft, Dell, and Intel here. And this information lets me know where a stock's going instantly. So if I look at, out of these three here, for instance, I'm going to look at maybe Microsoft over here. If I think it's moving up or down, I can click on this thing and instantly buy. So if you watch me go over here, I press this button right there. Is the moment I press this, buy, see it appear down here, Microsoft 500 shares, bought, and this is what my position is. I'm down 31 bucks as I've purchased into this thing.
So you just executed the trade?
That quick.
Wow.
If I want to sell this thing, I can sell it that quick. Maybe I can sell it before our interview's open for a profit here.
Wow.
If that makes sense to you.
So does the average guy, so you just executed the trade just right now?
Just like that. In fact, actually, I'm already flat on it, so.
So how much money can you make off of that trade?
Well, with only 500 shares, things going to have to move a little bit for me to see some cash flow on it. Typically, I'll jump in maybe 5,000 or 6,000 shares. So I'm trading something stable like Microsoft. I'm going something a little bit more volatile like an internet stock. I'll definitely grab something like, maybe 500 or 1,000 shares to keep myself protected.
Okay, so does the average guy at home sitting back, watching the X show, does he need something like this to day trade?
He doesn't need something like this to start off with. He needs to basically do two things. He needs about at least 10 grand to get himself going. So with anything less than that, it's going to be real hard to give yourself a share to make some money with. Second thing he needs is a day trading company. I've been doing it for a while. Probably the best, the premier day trading company out there right now is a company called Trade Portal.
Right.
Find them on the web. Give those guys a call. They can set you up, let you know how to get hooked up with a system like this. Regular computer will do you well. And that's about it. Read a lot. Do some research.
How is this not Vegas?
Yeah.
It just seems like you're picking in blind. How can you know 20, 250 stocks a day?
Great question. This is not like Vegas because you typically don't drink and smoke while you're doing it. No, it saves you the plane flight. The difference in this is ideally you can do this every day, and if you're disciplined and you take your time at it, you can hopefully make some money.
But if somebody just loves the juice and the action, they
Right.
should probably go in slow.
You should probably not do that.
But can't you lose your hat? Can't you, because people go crazy.
You can lose
doing
your
this.
hat and your friend's hats and your parents' hats.
I've heard the term selling short. What does that mean?
Great question. That's really where you kind of talk about where the market's going to move here. You know, guys, I'm sorry, I'm going to sell this out. I'm up 125 bucks in
go
this
ahead.
set.
Yeah, we don't
You see where I'm up right now? Look at here. I got $125 profit here.
Right,
so
right.
if you watch me sell this, all I do here is the seller. I just click on that, just like that. Actually, I'm up $156.
Okay.
I click on this, boom, it sells it. Whoops, let me put my default back here. Sell. That thing's gone that quick.
Okay, so what just how much money did you?
I made $156 since we've been talking.
What? Can I get my
Just like
commission
that.
right now?
Hey,
Can I get my commission?
I got your lunch. I got your lunch.
I want my commission, man. Don't try to buy me lunch.
Selling short, this is how it works. Typically most day traders are going to make most of the money selling short because things are going to crash faster than it's going to go up. You're looking for, again, volatility, and because of that, most people get scared and panic and run away from a stock faster than they'll get confidence to buy it. So they'll typically do more short sells.
All right, well, thank you very much, Mr.
My pleasure.
Richard Gillam.
Thanks
for
Richard.
everything.